What is cooperative learning? Cooperative learning focuses on students working together, interacting in small groups, and gaining understanding by asking each other questions and evaluating each other's work. History of cooperative learning. Allport, Watson, Shaw, and Mead established the cooperative learning theory before World War II. May and Dewey's research in the 1930s concluded that people working together have more success at completing a goal than those working alone. Dewey, Deutsch, and Lewin's research all influence the cooperative learning theory practiced today. David and Roger Johnson have contributed to cooperative learning since the 1970s. First, by identifying that cooperative learning promotes better communication and that there's high acceptance among group members. In the 1990s, they established the 5 elements for cooperative learning. There are 5 elements for cooperative learning that are indicative of properly functioning groups. They are positive interdependence, individual accountability, promotive interaction, conflict management, and group processing. There are also 3 types of groups used to enhance cooperative learning. First, formal groups used to teach specific content. Second, informal groups used for discussion. And third, base groups used to provide support for academic growth. Here are some strategies and videos for your viewing. Benefits of cooperative learning are students of all ability levels benefit. It makes the classroom more inclusive. It increases student self-esteem and friendships are formed. All learning theories have challenges. Some of the challenges of cooperative learning include difficulty to assess, therefore teachers may refuse to use it, the belief that only students with like abilities must be grouped together to grow. Classroom management might be a problem and some students may be off task, and there may be unequal contributions from group members.